Miss your voice, miss your smile, everything about you worth the while. Always wondering where you are. I hope you're with us, near or far. Many questions unanswered, I guess we'll never know. But now you belong to heaven. It's empty without your smile. The truth brings us to tears. All the love you gave us all these years. Always seeing you at night, when I turn off the light and the world's asleep. In my heart you'll always stay. We'll never forget.
Daddy. Goodbye for now, Dad.
Remember your laughter forever and ever. But now you belong to heaven. It's empty without your smile. The truth brings us to tears. All the love you gave us all these years. And I wonder what will be the first I say. If I meet you again one day, and I'm hoping you remember my name. If I see you again. But now you belong to heaven. It's empty without your smile. The truth brings us to tears. All the love you gave us all these years.
Tayo ngayon ay sa bibilang kalungkutan, nalalambungan ng malungkot na damdamin dahil sa pagkawala ng isang makahulugang tao sa ating buhay. Napakabait ni Toots, iyan na ang bahay sa labang. Maraming kaibigang taga-Lipa. Ang kanyang pamilya kilala rin dito sa Lipa. At laging masaya si Toots. Kilala ko si Toots dito sa loob ng simbahan ito. Unang-una ko siyang natagpuan. At si Toots ay kasama naming nagbibigay sa amin ng konsuelo na hindi kami nag-iisa sa problema iyon. Magandang kausap si Toots. At ngayong ating ihahatid si Toots na laging umuuwi dito tuwing Pasko at mahal na araw. Laging natawag sa akin iyan kahit ako hindi na parish priest. At sinasabi, huwag kayong malungkot sapagkat ako ay kasama ng lumikha sa ating hardin kung saan maraming hamog at maraming dahong luntian, green leaves. Subalit hindi maintindihan at patuloy sa pag-iyak ang mga paru-paro. Si Toots ay naging paru-paro na ngayon. He is with us. Kasama natin si Toots. At tayong lahat pupunta tayo sa tahanan ng Panginoon Diyos. Lilisan tayo sa ating harding masayang lipa. Subalit, bubuhayin tayo ng ating Panginoong Diyos ang lumikha sa ating ibibigay sa atin ang buhay na nawala. At makikita natin si Toots. Magkikita-kita tayo.
He would take us to school and back, quiz us on Tagalog, spoil us no matter what, and so much more. I will forever be grateful for the time that we had with him. Within the past few weeks, I've heard so many stories about him. The more I sit with it, the more I realize that he carries on through us. He's made me who I am today, pushing me to be resilient, a hard worker, selfless, among other things. We'll miss him dearly, but he will always be remembered.
Thank you for being here today to celebrate the life of Papa Toots. Papa Toots was the most caring and selfless person I knew. Papa Toots was kind to everyone. Some of my favorite memories with him were the drives back from basketball practice during Christmas time. On the way home, we would admire I would do anything to have him back here with us. But he's in heaven now, where he can rest peacefully. Thank you, Papa Toots, for blessing me with the memories I will cherish for a lifetime.
Gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat sa lahat po ng tumulong sa aking pamilya. Doon sa lahat po na nagmamahal sa aking ama. Mahal na mahal po namin ang aking ama. Minsan lang po, he's being misunderstood, pero napakabait po niyang ama. He's a good provider at naranasan po namin yan. Lahat po ibinigay niya sa amin at kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa kanya. Gusto ko lang po malaman niya na gusto ko magpasalamat dahil ang pinakamaganda pong pamana na ibinigay ng aking ama sa amin ay ang oras na binigay niya sa amin. Every single moment na he spent time with us. Since maliit pa yung mga bata, yun, kahit po sa aming magkapatid, yun po ang pinakamagandang pamana ng aking ama sa amin, ay ang kanyang oras na nilaan niya. Again po, maraming salamat po kay Father Mandanas na parang itinuring na rin po kaming pamilya. At sa lahat po ng mga aming kamag-anak, kaibigan, at lahat po ng mga natouch ng aking ama, maraming salamat po.
Kung tayo marunong sumunod sa daan ng ating Panginoon sa Kristo, daan ng pagpapasahid at pagtawad, mararating tayo sa bahay ng kanyang maraming silid at kung saan tayo magkakaroon ng bagong buhay. Malulusog na tayo. Maganda ang ating magiging pakpak at matutulungan natin ang mga mahal natin sa buhay dito sa lipa.
Sapagkat siya, wala na siyang problema sa buhay. Kasama niya si San Sebastian, kasama niya ang mahal na Birhen, kasama niya si San Andres, kasama niya lahat ng mga santo, at lahat po bait ang kanyang kasama, at mga lalapit sa Diyos upang tayo ipanalangin. Aalagaan tayo ng ilalayo tayo sa lahat ng masama.
Maging tapatlaan tayo tulad dito sa daan ng Panginoon, sa totohanan at sa buhay na walang hanggan.
Lead me, Lord, lead me by the hand and make me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other hope that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord, lead me all my life. Walk by me across the lonely road of every day. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your love. Lead me, Lord, all my life. You are my light. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my